PAWS claiming was goes live right now. So let's go at it and see what is may happen. Like what are we going to do? Like to claim our token to send it to our preferred exchange that we want to like send it. So let's go at it. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go at it. So let's click on next. So as you can see here is the claim section. So let's click on it. So I have to click on, I have read the terms of procedure and the agreement like regarding the sharing for sharing token to the exchange, which they are going to take 3% of my total token that I have. So let's click on centralized exchange, since on chain maybe it's going to be live after, and the TGE maybe soonest. So we have two exchanges to claim our token. We have Bybit and Bitget. So currently, right now, I want to use a Bybit because like it is the current exchange that I have for. I want to send my token right now. So let's click on Bitget. So they are asking us like, do you have Bitget account? You will need your UID and post deposit address to receive token on Bitget. Yes, I have a Bitget account. Let's click on yes, I do. So I need to come and put my Bitget UID and Bitget wallet address, which is deposit address for a first. So let's go and check the wallet address and paste it here. So as you can see, here is the interface of my Bitget. So let's come to here so that I can come and fake the wallet address that I want to use to claim my token. So let's click on deposit. So deposit. So let's search for false. So here it is, the first address. So let's click on it so that I may go and paste it. So first, so I need to go back and copy my UID. So as simple as that. So if you're willing to copy your UID, always click that that icon so that you may see your UID. So let's go together. So as you can see, here is my UID. This site that I've been like I shaded it with this red color. So here is my UID. So let's copy it and go and paste it into our PAWS website so that our claiming to be recorded like waiting for sending token to the exchange. So let's click on it. So here, as you can see, I have pasted my UID and wallet address. One thing that I need to do is to come and click on continue so that I'm good to go to send my token to the exchange, so that I should wait for 18th March to be like there so that they will send my token on 18 March before trading goes live. So let's go together. So, and again, here it is like they have make it clear. It is the question that they used to like provide. Have you confirmed it or not? If you didn't confirm it, go and reconfirm it so that like you are going to click on continue. So if you confirm it, just click on continue so that you are going to be awaiting to deposit the token into exchange. And then again, if you mistake any like of this information like UID or deposit address, if you missed one of them like wrong, so definitely your token, you are not going to get the token. So maybe they are going to like give users an opportunity to come and reclaim it, the users that like send the token mistakenly. So it happened. So many users like it is not like by misunderstand. It is like it is happening like this. You know it, and you know the procedure, but it's used to like it is just a victim. It can fall for anybody. So I don't mean that. Don't think that it is not gonna work for you. It's not gonna be like work with you. So it can happen to anybody. So if you find this video helpful to you guys, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's click on continue so that we may see what is happening in the next page. So here I need to click on confirm. So I have successfully sent my token to the Bitget exchange. So which is can see I like done. So here it is. So let's click on finish. So congratulations for me, I have successfully claimed my 3,900 false token. So they make it like simple. If you made a mistake, you can come anywhere anytime like to change it or change the wallet address or UID that you first wrongly. So it is like very easy. They make it easier. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.